Once your boards are cut to finished size, it's time to lay out your project. From one end, mark 6 7/8 of an inch. Do this on top and bottom. You can connect those lines to give yourself one line right down the middle. You can use a framing square or your tape measure to measure the 6 7/8. It's best to mark off both sides to make sure the center of the board is accurate. Using a straight edge or a carpenter square, mark a line all the way down the middle of your board. From the center, we'll mark 2 7/8 of an inch. We'll do this to both the left and the right of the top. For this process, I'll use the carpenter square. 2 7/8 from both sides of the middle. Mark the 45-degree angle from the 2 7/8 mark. Use a combination square. Slide the side of the combination square on the edge until you meet the 2 7/8 mark. Mark the same edge of the combination square that the mark meets. From that 45-degree line, mark 5 3/4 straight down the edge. We'll be using the carpenter square and marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3/4. You can use the carpenter square to transfer the 5 3/4 mark to the other edge. Using your combination square, you're going to mark another 45-degree line. This is going to be a random length line, and it's going to eventually intersect with our linear measurements from the bottom. In the same manner as the top marks, mark the same edge that meets, in this case, the 5 3/4 line. Random length line. From our center line on the bottom, that was 6 7/8 over, we're going to go 3 1/4 over to the left and right of the middle. We'll then go straight up 90 degrees, 2 inches. We'll connect those 2 points. 1, 2, 3 1/4. 1, 2, 3 1/4. Using the square, square up 2 inches from that 3 1/4 mark. Using the framing square, drop a line down, intersecting the 45-degree line to the 2-inch mark. Connect the center of the board with the 2-inch mark. We now need to add the 2-inch diameter arc. Using the Give and Green template, locate the 2-inch diameter mark. Hold the template tangent to the 2 intersecting lines and make the small arc. 6 7/8 from the top will be the location of the 3-inch diameter bore and 3/8 hole drilled all the way through. Using your tape measure, mark down the line 6 7/8. We need to mark 6 3/8, which is half of 12 3/4, on the center of the bore. Measure off both sides to ensure accuracy. Use your framing square to square a line all the way down the middle. Mark 2 5/8 over, left and right, both on the top and bottom. One, 2 5/8. 1, 2 5/8. Using your combination square, mark the 45-degree lines from the 2 5/8 mark. Locate the center by means of marking corner to corner. Roll the compass out to 4 3/8. This is half of 8 3/4, which is the diameter of the big circle. Locate the center. Carefully roll the compass around your project. Locate the template piece in the plans, cut it with the scissors, and trace it in the middle circle of your project. Make sure the grain is positioned up and down.